today's streaming review, we are checking out a screen protector and a case from AOHI. We do have their MagArmor range. I can't wait to test these out for the 16 Pro Max, see what happens, see how they go. So without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing and let's check them out. Got the case, let's unbox that one first and let's put the screen protector to the side. Now this is for the 16 Pro Max. Obviously the phone that I do have, so I can show you guys, what they offer. Here is their brand new MagArmor case, which is awesome. I think there's up to 5 meters of drop, 5 meter drop protection, which is great. So added with the 16 Pro Max, it's even better. Alloy lens frame, polymer material, and magnetic charging. Great, light and soft anti-fingerprint. This is awesome so far. Hopefully it actually is what it is. Let's try it on my phone, see what it looks like, see what it feels like. Okay, it is on my phone now, and it does feel lovely. Again, big access to the camera control, which is lovely. Metal buttons, CNC, look like the CNC buttons there. All metal buttons all the way around. Access to the ports is great. MagSafe, again, very good. Let's try it on the MagSafe. That's strong. That is strong. That's lifting up a huge portable power bank plus a slide out thing. If you haven't seen that, check the video out. Cameras are also protected as well with this nice CNC milled camera protection. Camera control is very easy to get to. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can. Change cameras. Yes, I can. Very easy to do. The screen protector comes in nice packaging as well. You can get these both right now on sale for $60 as a duo combo, which is great. All right, and here's the screen protector itself. I'm not going to install it on my device. It's going to take too long, but it is very nice that they give you, I guess, the mechanism to do it, which is great. I can't wait to put this case to the test. I'm going to give you the review of this case and see how I go with it. I'm going to use it as my daily driver for the next week. Come back and give you my final thoughts, and obviously I'll have the screen protector already on as well, so I'll give you my final thoughts on that. I'm just not going to install it on this video, but I will test it out alongside the case. Alrighty guys, I've been using the MagArmor case here and the screen protector for a few weeks now, and I want to give you guys my final thoughts. So pretty much like the unboxing, it is honestly great case. Haven't had one problem with it throughout the last few weeks. Have dropped my phone. Screen protector has lasted. The case itself has no blemishes on it from drops, nothing. I honestly can't say a bad thing about this case. I think this is one of my favorite cases with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max if you're looking for something heavy duty, because it is made to be dropped, it is made to be knocked and hit, and your phone will last. The ports, have no problem with them. Like I said in the unboxing, the cutouts for the camera control, not a problem there. All these tactile buttons, the volume rocker and the mute, the sleep wake button, the action button, should I say. No problems with that. Again, the metal buttons have done their job. If anything, there's a few scratches around the CNC ring around the camera frame, which is great. I'd rather that be scratched than my cameras. So again, it's doing its job. The MagSafe has been 100% really, really strong. Compared to some other cases I've tested, that this MagArmor case is actually really strong. So no problems there. So I can't fault this case. Screen protector's been great. Haven't had any problems with that either. If you're in the market for a new heavy duty phone case for your 16 Pro Max, 16s, check this out. The MagArmor case from AOHI and the screen protector. Great, great bundle. Go on the website right now and this video is going live. It is $60 for the case and the screen protector together. So check them out. Very, very exciting. Thank you for AOHI for sending this out. Love working with you guys and love checking out your products. Big thumbs up in the market for a case. Don't look past the AOHI MagArmor case. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video.